everyone, this is Bisakha and I hope you all are fine, and today I am here for another book review. The name of the book is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. It is published in the year of 1937, and at that time Napoleon Hill is one of the most famous journalist and writer. Napoleon get a fortunate chance to take an interview of the richest person named Andrew Carnegie at that time, and on that interview Carnegie gives a serious offer to Napoleon. Carnegie told to Hill that maximum to maximum people going to fail in their life, so get most successful persons interview to write a book on this concept, and accepted his proposal for doing this. For this he researches for many years. He taken interviews for more and more successful people at that time. He had wrote this book Think and Grow Rich to knowing people the steps about the successful people to grow fast. Book total 13 steps are there which we should follow if we have to become successful, suggested by the author. All the 13 points are very much important, and we should all have the knowledge about all the 13 points. So I decided today that I am going to tell you about the 6 points and other 7 points in the part 2. First one is desire, burning desire that you can achieve all those things. There are few steps to utilize all those things you want. So the steps are like that. So the first point, fix the amount which you want. To determine exactly what you are going to intend to achieve all those desired money you want. Set a date in your mind when you intend to possess all the desired money, and create a definite plan. Write it down clearly. And the sixth and the most important point is read it daily. Will also believing on yourself. Here authors helps us a lot to achieve success. So attract yourself by desires, ideas, plans, massive action, then success. Always advises us that never quit, never give up, seek help, make new connection, different approaches, improve skills. Step number 2, faith. Success and failure is depends on only your self belief, and faith is a very useful tool, and it is a one kind of antidote for failure. And when you starting believing yourself, ultimately people also believing on yourself. Is encouraging the positive emotions and eliminating the negative emotions like fear, denial, like all this doubt. Confident and successful people who implements their positive thoughts on you. And here in this statement author also advises that sign your name with a statement that and repeat starting reading repeatedly. Is your thoughts are able to reach to your unconscious mind, and doing everything. Step is auto suggestion. In this the auto suggestion principle is directly communicate our subconscious mind. By repeating our conscious thoughts, we can able to regain our control to our our thoughts. Exercising control over your decision, feelings and action. Number 4, specialization experience, and in this it is about all personal experience and observation. For this you have to specialize in mainly in 3 things: service, product and profession. Only 2 types of imaginations are explained, and one is synthetic and another is creative. In part of synthetic, the old old concept and ideas into new combination. And in the part of creative, it's only by finite intelligent. By imagining capability, you can achieve all those things you want in your life. So make a list of ideas, and then by implementing all those ideas, you can get more knowledge and need for your success. It inspires you a lot because it's your own idea, and it implementing on yourself. Number 6, organize planning. So it is about the good planning for your success. It is also about to convert your desires into actions, which helps you to make successful achievement. It starts from the strong desire. No plan is perfect, just get it into the action. If you are failed times, then accept that failure, realize that your plan is not good at this time, and reschedule that plan. Do action from re-establish that plan till it is not happens. Say big no to quit. Quitters are not getting success, so don't ever give up for before you reaching your goal. So these are the 6 points which are explaining in this book, and explaining by the Napoleon Hill, to achieving our goals to be successful. So for part 2, stay tuned with me, and thank you for watching my video.